My house is 110 years old. It's got a lot of problems because of its age. The windows leak, it's not very efficient, the floors creak. Now, some of those things people want in a house, but as an engineer, I look for efficiency. And it turns out there are some ways that I can make my house more efficient. And we actually have some equations that can help us to do that. Our first equation is called the U-value equation. The U-value talks about the conductivity of a material, or how much it allows the energy to move through something. Our equation for U-value is U is equal to P over A times delta T. In this case, P stands for power, which we've talked about before. It's measured in watts. A is the area that's affected. It's measured in meters squared. And delta T is the change in temperature. Now, U-value is helpful for us because we have all of this information. But in the real world, they're not going to pull out equipment to measure these things. What they're going to do instead is they're going to measure something called the R-value. The R-value is actually 1 over U, or the inverse of the U-value. The R-value is used by contractors to determine the efficiency of a building. And it's actually really easy to use. In the real world, you just look up the R-value in a table for a material. So let's think about the example of my house. Let's say that right now all I have is a stud and some bricks and some air in the middle. According to the R-value equation, my R-value is 1.53 for my house, which is terrible. Higher numbers are what you want. If I wanted to increase the efficiency of my house, I could blow in some fiberglass to increase the insulation in my walls. I could also add some reflective material up against the bricks to help bounce the heat back into my house. So if I want to calculate how much my R-value is now, I just add up the R-values of each of the individual things that are insulating my house. It turns out that if you calculate the R-value using those things, the new R-value would be 27.7. So it's significantly more efficient, and it's going to save me a ton on electricity and my gas bill.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video with us. We hope you learned something. If you like what you saw, hit the like button. For more awesome engineering videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button. We'll see you next time.